This is my family, come and see. Family means a lot to me. Daddy, mommy, all so near. Say their names, let's learn them here. Daddy, daddy, strong and tall, helps me up when I might fall. Daddy works and daddy plays. Daddy loves me every day. Mommy, mommy, kind and sweet, cooks my food and helps me eat. Hugs and kisses, warm and true. Mommy's love is full, full, full. Brother, sister, here they are, playing games and sharing toys so far. Laugh and run and sometimes fight, say sorry, hug and feel alright. Grandma, grandma, soft and kind, tells me stories, reads my mind. Gentle hands and smiling face, grandma fills my heart with grace. Grandpa, grandpa, wise and fun, plays with me in morning sun, shows me how to learn and do. Grandpa loves me, yes, it's true. Auntie, uncle, cousins too, family fun with me and you. Big or small, near or far,